Coach, hey, I'm recording. Quit giggling. So, anyways, it's okay if we hear voices. Let's consider the function, the function 4x plus 12. And so I've got two questions. We're going to try to figure out what the x-intercept is, and we're going to try to figure out what the y-intercept is. Okay. Well, I already know what the y-intercept is, right? Because remember that when we have something that's written like y equals mx plus b, the b is actually the y-intercept, and the m is the slope. Okay. So just by looking at this equation, I know that the y-intercept occurs at 0, comma 12, right? Because it crosses the x-axis at 12, or I mean the y-axis at 12. So now, how do I find the x-intercept? Well, the x-intercept always occurs when y equals 0. And remember that we use function notation, but this is the exact same as y equals 4x plus 12, right? We're talking about an output value. So f of x is the same as y. So I'm thinking like this. When I use f of x, I'm letting the reader know that this is actually a function, not just any old equation. All right. But I'm going to think in terms of this. So if I know the x-intercept occurs when y equals 0, then I just plug in 0 for y and solve. So that is not 72, that's 12. It's not easy to write like with this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides, and I get negative 12 is equal to 4 times x. I'm going to solve for x. So I divide both sides by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x is x. And then negative 12 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 3. So that means the x-intercept occurs at negative 3, comma 0. And that is it.